In the 1990s, BMWs were built like tanks. They were the ultimate driving machines. But around 2011, something changed. BMW decided to replace critical metal engine parts with plastic. This is the N20 engine. It's in almost every used BMW 3 Series you see for sale under $10,000. And inside this engine is a ticking time bomb called the timing chain guide. When this $50 piece of plastic cracks, it destroys your entire engine. The repair bill, $5,000. Right now, you can go on Marketplace and find these cars for cheap. $6,000, $7,000. They look clean. They look like a steal. You think you're getting a luxury German sports sedan for the price of a used Honda Civic. But there is a reason they are so cheap. The previous owners are trying to get rid of them before the bomb goes off. The problem is simple physics. This plastic guide sits inside the engine, right next to the pistons. It gets extremely hot. After about 60,000 miles, the plastic gets brittle. It crumbles like a dry cookie. These shards fall into your oil pan and block the oil pickup tube. Your engine starves for oil, metal grinds on metal, and within seconds, the engine seizes. BMW knew this was a problem, but they didn't recall the cars until it was too late for thousands of owners. If you are lucky enough to survive the timing chain, the water pump is waiting for you next. Toyota uses mechanical pumps made of metal. They last forever. BMW switched to an electric pump made of plastic and circuit boards. They fail without warning. You don't hear a noise. You just get a temperature high warning and your car goes into limp mode. That is another $1,200 out of your pocket. If you buy a used BMW from this era, you aren't buying a car, you are buying a liability. The days of the German tank are over. If you want a luxury car that won't bankrupt you, stop looking at Germany and start looking at Japan. Specifically, the only luxury V8 that is practically immortal. Subscribe to see why the Lexus LS 400 is the true king of the road.